Google may not approve business photos for several reasons. If the account has been recently suspended or the listing profile is new, it's likely that the photos will not be approved immediately, and waiting a few days may resolve the issue. Additionally, poor image quality can also be a problem, as Google does not accept blurry or poorly lit photos, and screenshot images are also rejected. Inappropriate content, such as nudity, violence, or hate speech, will not be approved, and photos with more than 10% text are also not allowed. Furthermore, Google has specific requirements for image size and format, recommending a size of 720px tall and 720px wide, with a minimum resolution of 250px tall and 250px wide, and only accepts photos in PNG and JPEG format. Failing to meet these requirements will result in the business photos not being approved. Understanding and addressing these potential issues can help resolve problems with Google approving business photos.